Hello, guys. Welcome back to a brand new video. Myself, Pawan Kumar. I'm your host, and you're watching Olymptrade YouTube channel. You guys, so many guys might be wondering what is this new type of videos that we are doing, and where is the usual, like live stream and all those stuff. But just to surprise you guys and just to make a different kind of views on the videos on the platform, we are trying some new stuff. So this is one of the stuff. So basically, you can call it as a podcast or a small interview with one of our analysts or a guest, you can say. So we have actually done this before on our YouTube India channel. So we'll talk about that later in the video. So before starting the video, let me introduce our guest today, one of our experienced analysts and one of our best analysts on the platform, Mr. Heyman sir. Welcome to the video, sir. How are you doing?
Namaskar, Pawan, and how about you?
And doing fantastic, sir. So as you have already have an experience doing this with me, and we have done this before also on the platform. So how does this feel doing it again, sir?
Well, it was a nice experience previously as well. We did it with, I think, in Hindi channel, or not Hindi language on our previous channel. But now we are here help the people in English because English is actually common language also. So yes, I hope that this will also going to be nice because the topic which we choose, that's awesome.
Yes, exactly. So as we were talking about the doing it this before also, so we have actually done it before on our Hindi channel, which is Olymptrade India. So in the channel, we did get a pretty good response from our like traders and new traders actually. Most of them, because of that video, we have also gained like more traders who were interested in trading and who got to know that what is trading exactly. So, and we have also got requests regarding, like teach us more, like different traders from different regions also asked us to make a video. So we are here for you guys and hope you like this video. So jumping right back to the video, sir, the point we are going to talk about today is about, risk in trading. Like what kind of risks are involved in trading, and is it okay to take risk or is it not okay? Is it good or bad? Is it the like danger or not danger? So all the stuff what involves risk and also about the fear of risk and all this stuff we'll be talking about today. So starting the point with a question, what I want to ask you is that like we have heard, we have seen, and we have also read in many places that like only with a huge risk will be able to bring out a better profit or a better results on the trading, whatever the platform it may be, Olymptrade or any वगैरह A, B, C, D platforms. So people say that like you're making a huge investment or taking a huge risk is only when we are going to be able to bring out profit. So is that true or based on your experience? So what would you like to say about?
Well, it's a, I think it's a myth. I don't think so. Like if you can put a huge money and taking a huge risk, and then you will get the maximum profit. It's not like that actually. The important thing is like, yes, the condition of risk is our life is very necessary actually. Um, if you are going to do anything, like, you need to take some risk. But the important thing is that you need to calculate this.
Yeah.
Okay. Like if you are doing any new thing and you didn't know about, so what you need to do basically first, you need to actually get some knowledge about the situation. Okay. And about the risk, if I don't know any, and I'm going to take a huge risk, like a person who's having a bakery and he wanted to make a cake, but he didn't know how to make a cake. But he just opened a huge bakery. I mean, he expend some millions, but he didn't know the basics. That he's taking too much risk. Correct? He didn't know that on basically cake he need to put sugar or he need to put salt. The base is how to make a base of the cake. So what do you think, Pawan? Is this big bakery is going running successfully?
No, obviously not.
Obviously. So that, but he's taking too much risk, too huge risk. This is the problem. So importantly, first of all, if you are doing anything, you need to first of all calculate the risk. Because okay, if I'm going to be here, I want to do this, then what will be the condition? Because we peoples, humans actually, we have a brain, and by the grace of the God, we peoples actually calculated the things very well. Yeah. Okay. So why we are not going to, and especially we are going to involving in the some kind of financial situations like this is the trading and of the money is involved, our money is involved. So why we are not going to think about the calculative risk? So if we are going to take a calculative risk, definitely it will be important and we will be get some results. It doesn't matter profit and loss because it depends how you open the trade, how much you learn. Because if you want to learn, you need to earn. So I personally believe risk is necessary, but it should be calculated. Without calculation or without any consideration, I don't feel like we need to take a very huge risk.
Okay. So actually, I like a point that you mentioned that about the calculative and the non-calculative risks, and is actually a very interesting, topic for me, basically. So I would like to talk about it in the future. But before jumping to that point, so what I would like to talk about is that you did talk about, we as a human being, we have the most advanced, features like, thinking. Like most of the animals or not other beings which cannot do most of the time. We are the most advanced beings, but even after being, the most advanced beings on the planet. Uh, we do tend to make mistakes. Humans do obviously do make multiple mistakes. So one of those mistakes is, trusting something on the internet blindly. What we see on the internet, what hundreds of people say, like we trust. Let's say there are 101 people. We don't trust 100 people. We trust that one person who is selling the wrong thing. We'll think, okay, why is this only one person telling something different? So this might be the truth. The 100 people are together. They're trying to, lead us into a different path or make us, bad or anything. So these kind of tough stuff happen with traders. Why they are watching YouTube channels, some other third party YouTube channels or Telegram pages, which is a huge point and risk also, because it is also a risk trusting one single person and based on him we are doing it. So I would like to ask, what is the importance of fear? Obviously we should have certain amount of fear in us, which is gonna help us in not going with and trusting someone and doing certain things. So what is the importance of fears in the risk or in trading or in normal life?
It's a good question. I have a question for you on this. Why this fear?
Fear of losing or fear of anything.
Fear of losing. Losing what?
If you're talking about
Trade or money?
money.
Money. Exactly. Fear is to lose the money. See, the important thing is, like, usually people's what shortcuts on it.
Yeah.
Usually humans do. Many people's they are just trying to get some shortcut for it. Okay, give me the answer of the question. Like here in India and around the world, there is a many institutions. They are just providing the study of the engineering, doctory, business management, and etc. Blah blah blah. Okay, if I going to the dean of MBA college, okay, and I with a bag of 1 million, which is I suppose three times higher of the total fees of the all semester. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
if I took a bag to go to the maybe the any medical college or any engineering college or any MBA institution, and I go to meet the like dean or principal, and I give the bag to him. Okay, this is the money. You please take it and give me the certificate that I'm become engineer or doctor or MBA holder from today on.
Okay.
Is he will going to give me this certificate?
If he is a greedy man, that he is gonna or is no.
I'm actually not. I'm so sorry. Actually not. The greedy thing is different. The greedy thing is different, but This is absolutely not possible.
Yeah.
Why this is not possible? Because if you want to become doctor, you need to do practice 4 years. Okay, you need to do practice because if you and in the doctorate actually there is a many segment in the engineering also there is a many segments of the engineering. Right, in the MBA also the many segments. So basically, he need to complete all the semester, all the 4 years. He need to work and do practice and be exams. Then he will become doctor. Then he will get a degree, like your MPBS, your MS, your MD, or whatever. Okay. So there is no shortcuts. If a person going to watch the video and he trying to going to operate someone, is he will do to operate and he will do operation successfully? Obviously not. Obviously not, because you don't have the knowledge. So important thing is knowledge, first of all. So why they are taking the shortcuts? Because they want to earn money very early. But there is some emotions. There is some emotion. Because sometimes trader comes to me and I'm asking the same question. Why you want money very early? Why? So there is no answer. Now the situation is, as I mentioned, this is the thing when your financial condition, your money is involved. So obviously it's going to be risky.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you mix your emotions with that risk. Like, first of all, we need to get money very early. That is greed.
Agree. Yeah.
And then for getting the early money, we are doing trading accordingly without any knowledge. That is too much risk we are taking. Okay. So there is two factor. Then the third thing, we lost and then we are getting through 3 years. So the emotions and risk factor, both are on the top. Both are the emotions and so what is the basic key? Patience. The patience is key of your success. Patience and knowledge. Because there is a very small, line, very small line in between patience and impatience and confidence and overconfidence. If you cut this line, when everything is become mixed and you will become impatient and overconfident. So do not go for any shortcuts, I believe, because I'm not going to say anything to those who are on the internet. I'm not going to say anything to them because we are also on the internet, we are also taught. But what I believe, we are belongs from the, we are the traders. Like this podcast, if we are doing, or the uh, personal conversation we are doing with the trader, we didn't get something from. We didn't ask the trader to give me money for this podcast or anything, and we didn't said to the trader yet that you will get the 100% profitability because absolutely not possible. Absolutely not possible the situation that if ever anyone can get 100% profit. We just wanted to help the trader. Why? Because we are belongs from the Olymptrade. We are the authorized person of the Olymptrade, and we discuss something that why, what is the logic or what is the intention behind it. The intention is this, that we don't want that he going to lose the trades from the here in front of the platform. Why? Because if he will gonna win, but he will gonna continue more and more years. Who don't want their good customers, bro?
Exactly.
Who don't want their good customers? And I can tell you one, Olymptrade is the only platform, as per my knowledge, who can provide the huge things of the education to the trader, huge options like YouTube webinar. We are providing this podcast. We are doing the Zoom personal meetings for the expert traders. We are doing the Zoom group sessions. We are doing for the expert traders also. So from Monday to Friday, if you can see, if trader wanted to learn, we have a big, huge things, huge options.
We will not analysts if not actually. There are a few analysts who to
So Saturday, Sunday, we are providing the personal consultations, but I'm talking about the normal people. It's like if they want, they can come and bet.
yes. So exactly. So one thing that I would like to also talk about the same topic is that you said that like we give provide session to the traders so that they they make a good number of profit so that the trader is happy with the platform. It continues for a long time. So there are a few things that people tell us, or else a trader tell us on the first initial call with them. or the first time we have ever talked to them is that, sir, I'm making a huge loss. I'm not able to bring out profit. So when we check their trades, we get to know that the trader is new. So the how does he know about trading? He has just gone to some Telegram pages or else some YouTube channel who have put a huge thumbnails or titles saying that 100% profitability rate. If you use this strategy, or if you use this method, you'll be able to make out 100% profit and all those stuff. What I would like to say is that always we have to remember that no one in this world can give us 100% profitability rate. No one. Not even a trader with 50 years experience or 100 years experience, even if he's alive, he'll not be able to give us 100% profitability because market is always unpredictable. So it is always a possibility that it might go in a profit or a loss, but not always 100% confirmation. So this is why fear is very important to us, because when we think, okay, it's 100% possibility that I'll be able to bring out every single tip profit, but in reality it is not. But when we have the fear of like, okay, if I'm thinking that there is a 100% profitability, but how there is not a 0%, how there is a 0% chances that it is going to go to loss, right? So fear helps us to keep us intact and also not make wrong decisions. And this is where I want to talk about your calculative and uncalculative risk, because it is one of my favorite topics while talking with the analysts. While teaching them about money management or risk management, how we have to handle our risk and everything. Coming to the point, so, what is the importance of calculative risk in trading or normal general in daily life?
Okay. First of all, I would like to tell you the answer. I'll give you the answer of your first thing which you are asking about, the if the trader is new. If the trader is new and he don't know about anything and he's just taking the unnecessary risk, it's not COVID. See, we have the Olymptrade application. In our Olymptrade application, we have many options. So first of all, what you need to do whenever you install this application, you need to explore your application. Okay.
Yeah.
So in here is the application. Once this is the not journal, our platform right now. So here you can see in the downside from left to right or right to left, okay, whatever. Terminal, trades, market, events, and help.
Yeah.
So go to the help section. If you go to the help section, we will get the 4 options also: support, help center, education, and trading tutorials. Okay. There is an option of education. So, okay. Once I click to the education, the option of education is already open, right? What is the meaning of this? Your platform itself having a heavy all the things can provide everything which you wanted to learn. So we have everything: how to start trading, fixed time trade guide, forex trade guide for strategies, for stocks guide, risk and money management, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, chart, Japanese candlesticks, drawing tools, indicators, oscillators. What you need to do?
Learn.
You only need to expend 15 to 30 minutes a day for learning. Again, I am repeating because I like this now. For earning, if you want to earn, you need to learn.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, what's your second question? Please, can you give me the
I'm about the calculative risk, what's the important.
number the calculated risk? Okay. About the calculated risk. See, um, basically, usually whenever the trader comes to, like, whenever I'm providing the consultation, even sometimes on YouTube also, they are asking about some, yeah, okay, sir, I'm just start trading and I already had a loss. Obviously, we feel very sorry because the traders are animal losses. When I'm asking the reason behind that, what is the reason behind? They didn't have an answer. Some people's blaming to the machinery and how this to the your companies this and that. Some people said at the end of the time my trades is going like this. Some people said I pay some extra. The reason behind of that, which we started from the starting, shortcut. Trader wanted to become millionaire very as possible as ever.
Yes.
But the Second situation is this, that he didn't know how to trade. The same story of the bakery,
Yeah, exactly.
But it's the same story of the bakery. So when I asked to the trader, okay, what's your needs? What do you expect from? I want to. Okay, let me make it very clear. Usually the trader comes to here. I joined the Olymptrade platform. Why? They wanted to answer. Correct?
Yeah.
How much? How much they wanted to earn? There is no answer. How much you wanted to earn? There is no answer. Okay. Do you have any calculation of the losses? No.
No.
So what happened? They came, they start their trades without any knowledge, and they are getting some profit. We are here to get not 100% earnings as compared to our job or business. No, usually the peoples are coming here to get some kind of pocket money of 30 to 40%, 20 to 40%. Okay. So, okay, yaar, if I will get 20, 30% of income from here, that will be kind of my extra income, which is we call the passive income. What is our active income? Our active income is our job or our business, which we are getting monthly basis. Okay. But they get the money, and that is not 30, 40%. That's maybe 100, 200%. And suddenly, you know, the greed comes to mind. Yaar, if why we are not getting more and more. So they start behind us. Then the situations is going to be wrong. You know, usually what happens? This is a very common answer from me. What is the answer? Okay, sir. This is a withdrawal option. I put the money, 1,000 rupees in my account. 1,000 rupees. Okay, let's make it with the dollars. I put the $10 in my account, and I made a profit of $200 or $100. Okay, or maybe let's make it $90. $90 profitability I made. So I was thinking, let's make 10 more dollars, and it will be 100, and I will gonna withdraw maybe, or I will gonna go for the next. At the moment when you are thinking, well, the thought is coming in your mind, let's make 10 more. That is the point when you stop. Because as for my experience, most of the time, the $10 you will not get. And because of this $10, you lost the profit of $90 and the deposit of $10.
Yeah.
So overall situation is going zero. So my condition is always not go according to the money. Just count the percent. $90 if a person made from a $10. The total balance is 100, means $10 the basic amount, $90 is the profitable amount. What is the percentage power? How much percent profitability is it?
Almost 900%.
Actually, it's 900%, but the 900%, as per percentage, it's
A big percentage, yes.
but as per amount,
Small.
it's 110 to 90. What's the 90? What is the, nah, $90 is not. This is the problem. So we wanted to start from very small amount, and we are just trying to become a million million from this small amount. This is also not the route. Secondary, according to the situation, the people are just to start trading with the greed and some over excitement and some confidence. After 3-4 trades positivity, they feel like, okay, I'm invincible. Let's make a trade with higher amount. After 2-3 trades, they are getting some money, and after that, what happened? They lose. Because what was the situation of the trader? What is the situation of the trader at that time? He is full of the greed, full of the overconfidence,
For
full of the excitement. Excitement. These three basically. Then what happened? Suddenly some trades are free. Then excitement is convert to the frustration.
frustration, sadness.
Overconfidence is still there.
Yeah.
Greed is still there, but the excitement convert to the frustration. And what happened? The trader wanted to wanted to get the money very early. Then they wanted to recover the money very early, and the end of the result is zero. So my suggestion is, the trading is your business. So what exactly, I usually not happy to use this word. So we basically convert our trading to gamble. And this is the problem. We need to stop ourselves. We shouldn't take this trading over our head. Okay? We shouldn't take this trading over our head. What we need to do? We need to take a break. Time to time. Like sometimes I saw the trader just doing trading at night 4 a.m. early morning, 4 a.m., 3 a.m., 1 a.m. I asked, sir, what when you are going to sleep? Don't take this trading over your head. Just make it as a part of your life. And just take it seriously, just like it's your business. And then you will see the changes. And then you will see the changes.
Yes, exactly. So calculative ways is also very important, and also most of the time when I'm taking a personal session with the traders, I use a simple example. Like whoever it is on the world. So if even if it he is not, I was not able to take go to college or school and get some education, still you can earn in the world. But how? Even then, even let's say if I want to become a mechanic, let's say if I open a store and want to sell something, I have to learn about the certain product. If I want to become a mechanic, I have to learn how to repair a bike, and also I have to be ready to take the responsibility of like the bike, because when I'm repairing the bike, there might be chances that I might even make it even worse. So sometimes mechanics do make mistakes. Obviously, he's a human being. So calculatively doing things is where it is going to help us, even in the trading and also in real life, right? So even for example, a chef, he cooks. He puts every single ingredient calculatively. He doesn't randomly throws anything there. Like 3 spoons of like salt, 4 spoons of like chili powder. It's not going to make any dish. It's just going to be a trash. So even in trading, everything should be calculative. To learn, as you said, you have to, sorry, to earn, as you said, you have to learn. And also after learning, you have to use every single points calculatively. Calculate, make plans, put some goals on how much amount you want to earn every single day. Put some full stop, put, like a wall in between you and, anything else, so that you don't, like overdo it and lose all the money. So I like the example which you gave, like to reach that one last $10, you lose every money that we have. And we have also seen so many traders that actually do like that and have lost so much investment because of that. And that's actually a very good point. So coming to the next point, what I want to ask is that, you know, I remember you giving example of like a car. If you want to drive a car and all that, that is actually a very good example. So most of the time, I also use it with my own traders regarding the same stuff. So we are almost at the end of the session. So I would like to ask, how much of an important does it make having risk? Is it good to take a risk in trading or real life? Is it bad? Or is it always bad to take risk, or is it always good?
So you want me to again repeat the car? In again. Okay. Okay. Actually, I'm providing two types of examples of the car or bike. Basically, it's depend. It's according to the line. Okay. Hmm? So I very much like cars. Okay. So what is the calculative risk? I don't know how to drive the car. I go and buy the car, and then for some pants I hire a driver, and he drives the car. That is a calculative risk. One thing. What is the high risk? I don't know how to drive the. Okay. I go to the showroom, give the money, bought a car. I didn't know where is what is clutch, what is brake, what is gear, anything. But I like cars. I want to be a car builder. I put the key, start ignition, and
Right. Yeah.
start my car. Right. What is the risk percentage of the accident? Remember, I don't make any, and I just go to the highway or the main area to drive the car. What is the percentage of this?
99%.
99. Because there is a 1% situation. Yeah, there is a 1% chances of non-accidental situation. So there is a 99% 100% chances to meet with the accident. There is a calculative, one more calculative and very safest way. I like the car, but I have to drive the car. So what I did, I just hire a person, just training car driving schools or training starts. So they took their car, they came and they got me like 15 days, 1 month, and then they give the certificates to me, and then they. What is the important thing? I was driving. I didn't sit on the next to the driver and I just watched, okay, how he did. No, I driving means I did practice experience. I learned, I learned, I did practice. Okay, sometimes because they stop the car even, they all have a rights. So because we didn't know, but they taught me, I I I just get the all the education knowledge and then I go and buy the car. That is a perfect example of the 100% perfect calculated risk. Because in case of driver situation, maybe sometimes driver not, then sometimes driver not come, maybe he will say, maybe he just left the job. So this is the condition. One more example. I ask you to just feel like you are a did. Okay? And I know that you are a bike lover. Yeah. So let's take this example with the bike. So as you are the bike, you know every situation of the bike. I'm asking a single question. Okay. Do you able to ride your bike on a single? No. Absolutely. Sometimes we believe we feel like yes, absolutely no. Why? Because if you wanted to start your bike and if you put the gear fourth, then the bike absolutely move. If you are on the highway, your bike should be on the third gear. You will not able to you will not able to drive that bike on second or first or third gear. If you are on the speed of 200, correct? So like. So I'm asking to the trader this question. Don't you think that you are running your Olymptrade account on a single? Because what actually they did? What is the basic? Usually for people, they very much wanted to open a trade on a single asset or a single tag. So we have a you know full garden of the assets. Select the 80% and go according to the trend. Even with the strategy also, people just we taught the strategy and they said, okay, this is the best strategy app of the world, and we are just opening the trade like this. No, and sometimes Ronaldo and Messi, they both are not able to win awards. Even they are the best players of the world. Virat Kohli is not able to make century on every cricket, every test match or every one day or every team. Jasprit Bumrah is not able to make take 5 wickets on every match. So we have the difference. So your strategy is basically, I can say, that is a buffet of kind of Real Madrid, yeah, or any Indian IPL team. So they have all the stars, but it doesn't mean that all the stars gonna work on the same day. 11 players are not making goals, and 11 players are not making centuries, guys. Okay, so this is the thing you need to do. One thing I would like to tell you, time about the education. This is the podcast we are just we wait for you to educate you. YouTube channel, this YouTube channel, you will see this. You can please like and subscribe our channel. It could be sub. Bye. Nice plugin, nice plugin. So please, please like and subscribe our channel, and you will get the notification because we are providing the group consultation for a group webinar on YouTube every evening in Hindi and English and whatever you language I think you that maximum languages we have. And also, if you are an expert status, then you can directly contact to the support team, or support team is maybe calling you. One thing you need to understand is that you will learn. And if you are an expert status holder, and you will get the personal session benefits, yeah, consultation like me, which me maybe with Pawan, and we have a team of the many analysts, and also the group consultation. One serious note I will also like to tell you guys. Right now, you are getting some calls from our team. Our team is going to call you for your congratulate you for booking the meeting. Sometimes people are not picking the calls, maybe because this is an international number you saw, and obviously there is a rumors, not rumors. I like there is a many scammers. They are doing something bad and something. But trust me, I'm giving you best time. Because if you are not picking your call, which is the call from Olymptrade, maybe you didn't know, but you denied the help unintentionally. What I'm suggesting to you, take the call and talk. If you feel the call is related to you, then continue. Otherwise, disconnect within 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Like I'm calling, maybe, hello sir, this is Hemant Modi calling from Olymptrade Broker. So you understand, okay, you are doing trading on Olymptrade and you are good, you get the call. How to understand that who's really working on Olymptrade or a scammer? You at least talk. Then a person maybe tell, okay, sir, you are recently coming on the expert and we are providing some consultation, this and that, la la la. And our analyst, at least go to the support team, ask, do you are providing this kind of situation? I'm getting this move, confirm everything. But at least take the call. It will be
Exactly.
for sure.
So we are all already at the end of the video. So I would like to tell you that thank you so much for giving us all the information, all the wisdom according to your experience and everything. At the end, it's just a simple thing, guys. So risk is not always risky, and risk is not always good. But taking risk is calculatively and taking every single point and doing it is very good to your health as well as your trading experience. So hope you guys like this video. If you did, make sure to like. Yeah. Yeah.
Now, just one thing. At the end. Guys, I know that I'm not good in English. Maybe. Okay. So please don't go. Forgive me for this all wrong, some grammars and all things. Maybe I'm not good in English. I'm very good. So catch the feelings and educations. Don't troll me for my English. Okay, thank you so much. And also, one mantra I can give you, which is I'm just collecting from a movie, Indian movie called RRR. So there is a person who just taught his kids to how to fire, how to fire with a rifle actually. Not gun. So there is a one mantra, and it's seriously you will like load, aim, shoot. Now, what is the meaning of in terms of our trading? Load. You need to load your money according to your parameter, but it should be not very low. It should be proper. Okay? Aim. Set your targets, goals, and discipline. Shoot. Trade. That's it.
Thank you so much.
So
Yes, thank you.
this is it from my side.
To like, just subscribe. We'll meet you in the next session. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.